Viewers want to point out the red flag on Glim Network if this app is a legit platform or a fake platform. Now, let's point out the nooks and the crown of this project. Now, as you can see, every project that want to list its token before the date of the listing, the exchanges or the exchange that is listing its own native token, each app must be ready. It must be trading. Their platform must be on trading before they can list their own token. Now, I see no reason why people should buy their pre-sale when their app is not fully in operation. This app, so a few months ago, I bought $10 USDT and I sent it to this platform. Up till now, my $10 did not reflect for 2 months back now. Now, I still see no reason why a legit platform will be showing ads on their platform, third-party ad. You can see how it's displaying on this Glim exchange. You can see everything about them is just the app look like scripted app. It just look like copy paste scripted app. You can see now when you go down below, you will see go to wallet. This is what you see. Withdraw. Look at how the icon are displaying. Let's go to May. Now when you click on your Glim, up to now Glim, they are listing their token on the 8th of May. Yet on their Glim app, they have not created an avenue for which to move our Glim coin for swapping or for trading. Up to now, you cannot do anything. Now they keep on promoting their platform by saying you should share their platform on Twitter, because if they successfully scam you and you run away, those people you share it to on Twitter will keep on investing on it. That is their aim in another method to defraud people. You can see nothing is working on their app. Their app is not. When you go to trading, you see trading is coming soon. When they are launching their coin, you can recall when Remitano launched their Reneg, the exchange was in full operation, working successfully, withdrawing, transferring. Everything was in order before they launched their Reneg. Today, the Reneg is a successful coin, is tradable on their platform and other cryptocurrency. When you go to margin, coming soon, coming soon. Everything about their app coming soon. When they are launching their own token. Another area we need to point out is the area of support, contact, and their white paper about this their exchange. When you go to their Glim exchange app, they don't have fabric. I wonder which exchange will not have fabric on their platform. These are the point to flag on an exchange or any project that came or you want to invest on. No fabric, no contact, no support on their exchange app, no customized email for their exchange, nothing. How do you expect that kind of exchanges to be legit? This is 100% red flag. Everything about the app is zero. And fully declare publicly that this exchanges is 100% scam. This is a review about their platform. Now, when you go to their Telegram platform, you will find people crying. Up till now, they have not received their pre-sale they bought. Many people are complaining. Some are even regretting, why did they buy? My Glim app is not responding. Look at, no one will give positive feedback. You can see this one says it's still selling pre-sale. They are giving negative review. One said that he transferred to KuCoin. Up to now, he has not gotten his token on KuCoin. You can see no one is giving positive review about. Now let's go to Telegram. No, let's go to Twitter. You will find more of what I'm saying. When you arrive on Glim profile on Twitter, Look at their recent 4-hour post. Now, let's punch out what those that participated in the pre-sale are commenting. This one says, "I've not gotten my distribution. What is this, guys? Only 1 hour before trading." This one say, "When will my pre-sale token be reflected in my TrustWallet account?" Up till now, people that bought is over 5 hours now, they have not received their pre-sale. This one say, "I have not got the green token from the pre-sale." Everybody are crying. When will the green pre-sale token be able to enter my wallet? Oh boy, Shilon, they have scammed you. This one say, "I have always not received my token in my Metamask wallet." This one say, "I deposited USDT but not arrived in Glim." Yes, that is the same person that fall in my shoe. I deposited $10 and it was not arrived on my Glim. This one also faced the same issue. This one say, "I deposited USDT but not arrived in Glim app. Also, we can't withdraw pre-sale token from the app." Everybody are crying when pre-sale token distributed. You see? This one say, why you not release our pre-sale token in Glim app? Up till now, pre-sale, are they not supposed to receive their pre-sale on the Glim app when they have exchange? Why must it be Metamask? If Core have exchange, Core will not have create Metamask for withdrawing your token. They would have used exchange. Now this project claim that they are legit. They have their own exchange which they use in giving out airdrop to miners, yet they could not receive their pre-sale through the app. My brothers and sisters, as you can see with the following, Glim token not received yet in my wallet. This platform is 100% scam. It's a scam. I wanted to make this video. I just don't want to discourage people, because what is your take on this project? What is your comment? What do you see? What is your review about this Glim app? Is this scam or legit? To me, Glim network is 100% scam. Stay clear away from Glim network.